Okay guys, SK from DipYourVehicle. We received a Lamborghini Gallardo for full respray. As you see, the car is damaged, the body damaged. So we're gonna do the whole body work. We're gonna paint in white, a few bits black gloss. Then we're gonna put the whole car together. Then from here is going to the mechanics to finish the engine and everything else. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and look at the state of the car now and look good and finish. Enjoy guys. Alright guys, we've finally done the Lamborghini. We painted it. Now it looks like a proper Lamborghini. As you can see, it looks brand new. So from here it's going straight to the mechanics. They're going to do a whole electrical brand new. They're going to put a new windscreen. They're going to repair the gearbox. So we're not putting anything back on because they will have to strip it back out. Once they're done from there, I don't know how long they're going to take. It's going to come back to us to the finish. Then I'll do another video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys soon.